Well, hello, my honors students. Notice I did this video before 4 o'clock. I am getting better every week. By July, I'll have them up by noon. Now, most classes I did all four of these problems. There's one class I didn't, but it's always good to practice anyways. So, first problem. A circle has the equation of this on a Cartesian coordinate system where h and k is your center and r is your radius. So, if find the equation given the center is 3, -6 and the radius 2 square root of 5, so you just go x minus 3 squared, the x number, plus y minus the y number, so it'd be y plus 6 squared, equals the radius squared. Well, 2 squared is 4. Square root of 5 squared is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So, find equation given endpoints. Well, a circle has a center, and if you have a segment that goes from one side of the circle to the other, that's called a diameter. The endpoints of the diameter would be on the circle. So the center has to be directly between the two, or the midpoint has to be the center. Because this is the same distance as this, because the center has to be right in the middle of the circle. So the midpoint would be the center. Midpoint formula, if you remember, add the x's. In this case, 2 plus 4. Divide by 2. Add the y's, 4 plus 10. Divide by 2. So it would be 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 plus 10 is 14. Divided by 2 is 7. Now there's two ways to find the equation. The upper level math, what they do is they set up the equation part we know. The center is that, so the left side would be x minus 3 squared plus y minus 7 squared. Now, the only way a point can be on the circle, oops, that's off the page, sorry about that. The only way, so it's x minus the x number, y minus the y number. I'll move it over a little bit more. The only way a point can be on the graph is if it causes the equation to be true. So all I have to do is take one of these 2 points and plug it in and see what number would cause it to be true. So if I did 4 minus 3 squared plus 10 minus 7 squared, this would be 4 minus 3 is 1, squared is 1, plus 10 minus 7 is 3, 3 squared is 9, so the answer has to be 10. That's one way. That's upper level math. You see that done all the time. Let me do that one more time. All the time. Now, another way to do it is to say, wait a minute, the center to a point on the circle is the radius. So I could use the distance formula, which is the square root of the center minus the point. So let's do 410 again. 4 minus 3, the x is squared, plus the y squared, 10 minus 7 squared. So that would be the square root of 10. 4 minus 3 is 1, squared is 1, 10 minus 7 is 3, squared is 9, 1 plus 9 is 10. Now, on the other side of the equation, that's r squared, so if r is square root of 10, r squared would be 10. Either way you want to do it, by finding the center, put it in, and then plug a point in, see what this is, or find the distance from the center to a point on the circle, then squaring that and finding that. Either way is fine with me. Now let's go the other direction. Find the center and the radius. So the center, opposite of number x, opposite of number y, that'd be 6, -3. And the radius is the square root of this. So square root of 75 would be 5 square root of 3. Hoo-hoo! Now the last Now we're going to do this several more times. Given polynomials, let's change it to a binomial square. That's completing the square. But I have to do it twice. So half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Y squared plus 10y. Half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25. Now I added 29 to this side, so I have to add 29 to this side. So I'd have x plus 2 when I factor this squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 18. Negative 11 plus 29 is 18. So the center would be negative 2, negative 5, and the radius would be 3 square root of 2. Square root of 18 is 3 square root of 2. So I did one of each. In class, we did a little bit more, but I just wanted to kind of review that. Now, your homework. Ta-da! Here's your homework. Page 6, 10, 6, 11, 2 to 4, 6, 11, 12 through 16, 19, 23 to 26, and 31 to 45 odd. A little bit longer than normal, but if you really search your memory, homework has not been that long this semester. But you have till Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so Wednesday. So that means if you're in 7th hour, you have till Wednesday, 6th hour. Ha 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 ha. Oh wait, Wednesday is church, so 6th hour's first. Uh-oh. Oh well. Hey, have a good weekend. Bye.